Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the engine version because APIs and language support differ. Godot 3. X versus 4. X matters. Once done, decide which language suits your project. GD script for rapid iteration, C# for. NET libraries, C++ for performance. Then install the required SDKs. Net SDK for C#, a C++ compiler and toolchain for GD native/native modules, or the language bindings. Make sure export templates are present so you can test changes immediately. You now integrate the language into the project. Enable the language support in project settings or add the C# module and reload the editor. Next, create starter files. Attach a GD, CS, or C++ script to a scene node and scaffold any bindings or native libraries. Configure your IDE integration so you can edit and debug. Set the external editor path, configure build tasks, and verify the debugger connects. Once the editor recognizes the language, compile or run a small script to confirm the setup. Finish by running thorough tests, play scenes, run export builds, and check behavior on target platforms. If something breaks, first inspect the output log and debugger for missing runtimes or API mismatches. Common errors include incorrect method names or file paths. Make sure to recompile native bindings or regenerate C# solution files if symbols are missing. One key troubleshooting tip: if the editor doesn't detect the language, restart the editor. Clear the import cache and rebuild the language project to force a fresh load.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.